Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watch from Garmin Connect. So let's go and do that. You can do that in the app or on the web. So I will show you on the web today. It's also almost the same thing. So let's go and do that. Now you will see here on the right side when you logged in into your Garmin Connect. On the top right side, you will see this profile and accounts. So click on that. Sorry, you can click next to it. So on the device and sync status. So click on that. And now you will see here these devices that you have. So in the app, you will see at the top right corner your watch and click on that icon and then select the device that you have there. Okay, so now select the device. So I will select Vivo Active, Vivo Smart, just like that. And now you will be redirected here on this site where you see some more details about the device. And now on the right side, you will see this small gear icon. So settings, click on that and you will see here remove button. Also in the app, when you click on your device, you will see three dots at the top right corner. If you click there, you will see remove a device. Now, when you do that, remove, you will see some warning window, so you will no longer be able to sync your device with Garmin Connect. Are you sure you want to remove this device? Remove. And yeah, don't forget to also remove your Vivo Smart 3 from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Okay, click OK. And now if we check that, we don't have anymore this Vivo Smart. So this is basically how you can remove watch from Garmin Connect. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next